Black Forest Labs released Flux.1 Kontext. This one is the best image editing AI model I have ever seen. And well, it does the obvious. You put a reference image and you can generate based on that. Here on Fall AI is one of the places you can test. You can see how nice it keeps the text. Okay, what else? Let's see. And it's pretty similar. And it works with clothing as well. This is the original image. And this is the generation. Give her a gold necklace. It changed a little bit. It looks a little bit sharper, I guess, but it's pretty similar. Here are some other examples. Let's see more. This is the original image, and these are the outputs. And let's see how good it is to exchange entirely a character from an image using Flux Fill Dev in Painting, which is pretty good to do in Painting. It does this. Okay, this looks bad. This does not look like a panda. Using Flux Dev image to image, it looks like this. Well, it looks like a panda, but pandas don't use clothes, I guess. Now, using the Flux Kontext, perfect. It replaced this guy with this panda. Let's see what else we can do. Oh, this one can destroy graphics designers. So, people that usually does logo, well, your job is in danger. Look how consistent this one looks. And it does text very well, like any other Flux model. But this one can replace text as well. So this is the original and this is the replaced text. Again, a very realistic replacement. You will have Flux.1 Kontext Pro, like before, and a Max as well. But the open source one is actually the open weights one is this dev. Again, like before. Apparently, the Kontext dev will have a 12 billion parameters, so it's similar to the regular Flux dev. So you should probably run this on a consumer graphics card. And if you don't have a powerful GPU, you can rent one. Here on MimicPC, it's not as good as running locally, but it's quite private, definitely more private than using an API or any other site. And they have a bunch of templates. You can, for example, just log in and launch Comfy UI, and you will have a perfectly functioning Comfy UI for you to work with a GPU. You can even try it for free. I'm going to put this link below if you want to know more. It's very important to not lose the AI race, so you should definitely test these models even if you don't have a powerful GPU. And this is one of the options.